Alright, how y'all doing? So, y'all may not know it, but the old Ford threw a belt. It threw a big hole out in the radiator. The radiator was toast, didn't even care to really mess with it. So I went ahead and ordered a brand new one. I already took this one out. We'll go ahead and put in the new radiator, new belt, see how she runs. Give y'all a little tutorial on how I do it. I hope y'all enjoy. Alright, so went ahead and got the belt around those. Now I just gotta loosen up the alternator, pull it up a little bit, and retighten it. I'll be back at you. Alright, so to loosen up the alternator on my car, I don't know if y'all can even see it. I'm trying to get in here. It's going to be that bolt right there. I can zoom out a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to loosen that up, tighten her up, and then I'll get to the radiator. Alright, so I got the belt on. We're good there. Now I'm putting in the radiator and fill her up. Get her back on the road. Be back soon. Alright, so there's my new radiator. All new, chrome and shiny. Alright, let's see if I can get it out of here. Alright, there we go. Ugh. Alright, come on. It's being a pain. Alright, there we go. Alright, I'll be back when I get her in. Alright, so the radiator's in. Hoses is connected. So, yeah, belt's good. I'm gonna hook up the battery again, get it out in the old 56 Pontiac. I got a video coming up soon on it. So y'all be sure to watch that. And I'm gonna try and see if this joker will run again. Alright, so that's the battery. Let's see, it's your crank. Find my keys. Alright. Choke. Get a little gas. Alive. Oh yeah. Check the fuel. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. Back in business. Let it run for a few minutes, see if see any leaks. Thought I'd show y'all right quick. Make sure the alternator's charging. show you how to do that. So a good battery, that'll be about 12.6 volts, but when it's running, you want it at least over 13. So let's hook it up to 13 DC. Let's see what we got. Stick that one in there. Alright. It ain't charging the best, but it's charging. Alright, be back soon.